If you happen to do those customization, click some cool pictures and tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see what you have done, what the level of creativity you people are playing with. Hello everyone, welcome to Curator. My name is Anand, and if you are someone who prefers to customize their desktop, their keyboard components, and you have Corsair components, then you are at the right place. Today I will show you how you can customize each and every LED using iCUE software provided by Corsair, considering that your components support each and every individual LED to be customized. I'll be showing you how you can modify the look of the desktop which you are seeing behind me. Or wait, just wait for a second, let me change the look quickly. And I have created a few profiles. Red and green, looks good. The tricolor one. So guys, that is a topic which I want to discuss with you today, how you can use your iCUE software to modify your Corsair components and get them those custom colors the way you want, the custom effect. Let's get this video started. Let me start with the cooling part, the radiator parts, and first let me check if it's getting recorded. Yeah. So now I will do a plus sign, and the moment I do plus sign, you see the default effect has been applied. So what I will do, I will make this color block which you see with the Corsair written here. I will split it half into different colors. So I will delete this spiral rainbow effect and it immediately turns it off, and then I will do a plus sign. Doesn't matter. I will select. What you have to do is left click and select. Now it has selected a lot. I will press shift. So shift also works if you want to select one by one, press shift and select one by one. I'm pressing shift button on Windows. So yeah, now I will make it solid color and let's try to make it red. And now still you don't see any effect because you have to click this insert lighting object. Press and then you see some color there, right? Doesn't look red. Let's make it red. Yeah, now it looks more of a red. Now let me insert one more lighting effect, and this time I need to select the lower part. So I press shift, select them, and now again I need a solid color, I need green color, I need a plus sign here. Simple. As you can see now it's into two parts, red and green. Now let's do the same thing for the top radiators. The radiators are on the top part. So I press a plus, left click and select all of them. You can select individual LEDs too probably. I don't need that. I need what? I need something which is visible. Strobing. Yeah, you can see that blinking. And if you want to change something different, for example, rain, wave of green color probably, and then press plus, and you can see that effect happening in the top. Now let's move on to our RAM sticks. So in the RAM sticks, we go to lighting effect, we press plus, and it applies a default in those 4 RAM sticks, which are 64 GB by the way. Now what I will do is I will show you these. As you can see, when I am hovering my mouse, it shows individual LEDs. That means you can color each and every LED. Let me show you something. I want to color just, let's say, this part. You see that? Let me press something. I want to color now the bottom 3. What I want here is a solid color. Press plus and there you go. So the bottom part of the RAM is like pink color and the top is still a rainbow wave. So let's make something more suitable. So we are moving up with this red green pattern. So let's do the same thing. Red green pattern it is. And what I will do is select this whole, then probably this here, then probably this till here, and then finally okay. Yeah, so I want that to be green. I want that solid color and I want that to be green. Press that and you can see the whole vertical. Let's do the same thing. Okay, we missed that. Yeah, Now let's do the same thing with the other part. You press a plus sign, number 1 step, number 2 step, press shift key and select what you want to select. Now what do we want here? We want a solid color with red and press plus. What? We didn't want that. Now press again. What do we need is a solid color. We need red. Press plus. It has selected everything. We want to select some parts with the red. Press shift key and start selecting your LEDs and yeah. So now again we have that pattern of red and green there also. And now let's move on to the Commander Pro, which is controlling my front 3 fans, and we'll press plus, and as you can see all the 3 front fans are lighted up. Let's control them individually. So the first one, let's make it solid color. And what color do we need? We need green. We press plus. Okay, this is the bottom one. Yeah, makes sense. Now I need the second fan with a different effects. So I need to select half of the fan with again solid color. What do I need? I need green. I need to 2 plus. Can it apply on half fan? Yes, it has applied, not the way I intended to be. So I will select the bottom parts. Let's do it manually only. Yeah, the bottom part. Now I need the upper part of the fan. So you can see how much you can customize that, guys. And I need a solid color. I need red. I need plus. Beautiful, right? Now again, let's do the same thing with the third fan. Beautiful, right? So that was it, guys. And I forgot to show you with the keyboard. Let me show you how the keyboard looks. So guys, that was all. It was a pretty quick video. I wanted to show you how you can customize that. Even for a year, I even also didn't touch the iCUE software to customize at that level. But yeah, that was something. And if you happen to do those customizations, tag me on my Instagram. I will link that down in the description. And with that in mind, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. See you soon, guys. Please subscribe. Bye.